Hello everybody, welcome back. We are still in Florida. We're probably going to stay put here for a little while longer. No sign of things changing. Just stopping here on my way to the grocery store. Got to get a couple of essentials. Mailing a couple of stickers. I appreciate the recent response on stickers. Seems a couple of people decided I wasn't charging enough for stickers, that they put their own amount in. I don't want to say how much that is appreciated. That was unexpected and very much appreciated. And thanks to everybody that has decided to join us over on our Patreon page. I'm going to be posting a couple of quick updates over there for now. I don't know if I just want to put them out in a main YouTube video just yet or not. Some things that might just have to happen just because they have to happen. That's all I'm going to say about that right now. We're going over to the little food branch grocery store over here in a little bit. Hoping to get, it seems only once a week maybe is egg day, and they come and they go quickly. It seems eggs have been a big shortage lately too. And see if they have any paper products in yet, some cleaners, some fresh produce. It'd be nice if that stuff kept a little longer. Then we're just going to go straight back to the RV. I'm trying to figure out how to do some online shopping and get more of those products. I think I can have just about everything, but except for perishables, shipped. I've had a couple things shipped already. So anyway, we'll go back there and I'll show you a couple of things that I've gotten. I hope to get better at it. I think like canned goods. Yeah, I just don't know yet. I've bought a lot of things online over the years, but I've never really made an effort to get grocery store items online before. So I'm working on getting better at that and what I can have delivered and what I can't. So anyway, we'll get going. So I hope these eggs travel okay back here. We'll see if the eggs survive the trip. There's another dozen in here for me and a 18 pack for my sister. I stopped here at the Shell station, and almost seems like life is like just normal out here. Got people, I've seen a number of people out with their towing their boats, stopping getting gasoline. Some fellas just got some ice for their cooler. I imagine they're going right down the road. The bait store is open, and looks like they're going fishing. So the boat launches are open. So I don't get it. The conflict, the confusion is stay at home, sorta. Stay at home, but go recreate. I don't get it. I don't get it. The other term that's been I've heard a lot lately is some states are on lockdown. I have not heard a single, and I've been catching up. I've spent some time catching up, watching different news things, the evening news, the special broadcast for the president, the Florida governor, the New York governor, only because that's a hot spot. How bad is it up there? The Florida governor or the Pennsylvania governor. Nowhere have I heard any officials use the word lockdown. So I don't know where people are getting, the things are on lockdown. It seems pretty common everywhere that, for the most part, you should shelter at home as much as you can, but you can go, obviously you can still go to the store and medical things, that sort of thing, but you can go out and recreate. That seems to be pretty common from state to state. I don't know. It's all a little conflicting. Anyway, at the Shell station, gas has been $2.07 a gallon here for the last 2 weeks, and it was down to, what did I say in the last video, $1.60 something just 10 miles from here. Well, now it's dropped to $1.89 a gallon here. So I wonder what it's dropped to over in Denellen. Or how low has gas gotten in your area? Where are you from? And how much is gas? Regular gasoline. Anyway, I'm going to put a little bit of gas in the bike. I know, watch that dirty pump handle, right? I meant to. I have a small thing of disinfectant wipes. I meant to start carrying them in the one saddle bag of the motorcycle. I meant to throw them in there, which I will. I'll be careful. I'll wash. I think the eggs made it okay. I took that dozen down to my sister's. I didn't open it, but a bunch of egg goo wasn't leaking out the sides or anything, so I think it's okay. I did end up being able to dump the RV tanks here at the house. So my brother-in-law brought all, he has extensions for his fifth wheel. And I backed over here. I backed the bounder up over here where my sister's minivan is. And there's a clean out over there by the corner of the house. So we had it stretched the whole way across here through her beds. So didn't hurt anything. We're okay. So that's done. Oh, and the fresh water's right around the side of the house, so I filled the fresh water tank up. So that's it. The waste tanks are empty. The fresh water tank's full. We're good to go for a while. Anyway, I had an Amazon package and a Walmart package show up, and I brought them up here with this little utility cart. Here we go. One from Walmart. Ended up being a partial shipment. Something that's still due to arrive yet. I have a little mess going on out here. The best part about online shopping is it feels like Christmas when you get these packages, right? This is probably all coffee products. I have about 5 or 6 different ways of making coffee. I'll have to share that one of these days. Okay, I got this new little Mr. Presto thing for making these little K-cups without having to use any electricity. Well, I'll have to check that out. And I used to buy these all the time. Well, I used to buy these once in a while. The little coffee, they're like tea bags, little coffee bags. These are actually pretty good. And I was thinking they was like real expensive, but actually it works out to be, I think, like 22 cents a cup. So those aren't terribly bad, but they're convenient. I like those. And the big box is, now I'm trying to minimize trips to the store. So this is being a little bit of a learning curve here on what can get shipped and what can't. I hope you'll like this one. How's that? Stocking up for Bella. And I think beef is the #1 ingredient. Grilled steak and vegetable flavor. Yay. And I was thinking, it must be the Beneful. Dang it. I was thinking these were the ones that had the Ziploc top. That's why I don't buy the big bags, or try not to get... The Ziplocs are just nice for keeping them fresh. Right? So, I'm glad I didn't buy the one single big bag. It wasn't available for shipping anyway for some reason. I'll just roll them up good and put a clip. I'll fasten them somehow. Steak. Grilled steak. Alright. That's enough of that. That's it. Business as usual for now. Staying put and trying to minimize trips to the store or learning how to. Maybe if this happens again, it probably will. It's probably only a matter of time where whatever the next emergency is, whether it's a major storm of some sort or that next virus comes along that's as bad or even worse, it should probably get kind of figured out and know how to react better and sooner. So a little bit of a learning lesson here, I think, for a lot of us. Um, yeah, we are going to be, it's only a matter of time whether things get better soon. That would be great. Or, the next week or two or three at the most. If it doesn't, at some point I'm going to have to be on the move. Um, it's just the way it is right now. But it will only be, it's a pretty safe location. And where I'm going is going to be another safe location. And I will be able to do that without any stopping and in any interactions with other people, other germ carriers. Really, the only stop I'll have to make is I'll have to deal with a gas pump. The boundaries are well enough stocked. I can stop and get gas, get on travel away, stop and get gas again. If I can deal with a dirty gas pump handle, I got it made. So, don't know what kind of restrictions might lie ahead. Uh, we'll be keeping an eye on that and probably making note of it, recording it. I'll share that if there's any obstacles along the way. That's the way things are going for now. Thanks for stopping and checking in on Bella and I. We'll be back soon. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon.